Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Apache Tomcat 7 in Manjaro Linux 17.1 using Oracle JDK 1.7, which is already installed. Before start the installation, I will give you my basic information about my virtual machine. So my virtual machine is Manjaro Linux 17.1 with kernel 4.14 with 8 GB RAM. Here you can see that JDK 1.7 which is already installed. Now I am going to configure the JDK 1.7 to my profile settings. So now I am assigning the installation JDK 1.7 installation path to java_home environment variable. So and I export the environment variable. Save the profile and close it. Now I am going to extract the Tomcat 7 which is already downloaded from apache.org. So now I extract the Tomcat 7 to my home folder. This is the folder structure of Tomcat 7. Now I am going to open the catalina.sh in bin folder. So in the very first line I am going to add the variable called java home_home and paste the JDK 1.7 installation path. So Java home is JDK, Oracle JDK 1.7. So save the catalina.sh. Now I am going to start the Tomcat. So copy the path or you go to the path. Go to the bin folder of the Tomcat directory. Okay, now I'm in the bin folder. So I'm going to execute the shell script startup.sh. Now startup.sh shows the following output that Tomcat is started and running. So to confirm that Tomcat is running or not, we are going to check the log files. So go to logs files of the Catalina. Catalina.out is the log file of the Tomcat. So by tailing the catalina.out, we can see the Tomcat is running in the port HTTP port 8080. So ps-ef grep Java will also give the Tomcat process is running or not, and ps-ef grep Tomcat also give the Tomcat process is running or not. So these are the commands used to check whether the Tomcat processes are running. So now I am opening the browser to open the Tomcat console. So http localhost 8080 will give you the Tomcat console. So now we can see Tomcat 7.0.88 is running. Here server status, I want to see the server status manager application. So now I am not authorized to view the server status. So I want to view it by giving some permissions. So I am editing the tomcat-users.xml file. So uncomment the last section in the tomcat-users.xml file. Here you can see role name, everything. Here role name, I am giving manager guy and admin guy, and username will be Tomcat and password will be also Tomcat. So and the roles for the user Tomcat is can be manager guy and admin guy. So roles I am assigning manager guy and admin guy to user Tomcat. So I delete the last two lines, save the file. So now I am going to restart the Apache Tomcat 7 to make the changes get affected. So in order to get the changes reflected, I am restarting the Apache Tomcat 7 now. So again I'm going to bin directory of Tomcat folder. So I am going to execute the command shutdown.sh. Shutdown.sh script will stop the Tomcat process. This can be ensured by issuing ps-ef grep tomcat command. So again I am restarting by using startup.sh. Yes, when I click the server status, it asks for login. So give the username password you configured in tomcat-users.xml. So now you are seeing the page, server status page, which shows all the environment settings for Tomcat. So list applications will give the binaries deployed in the Tomcat 7. So I'm giving a manager app. So I'm able to view manager application also. So host manager. For host manager also it's asking for username password. Provide the username password as it is in tomcat-users.xml. So now you can able to see the Tomcat virtual host manager page. So Tomcat installation was successful. Now we are going to execute the Servlet and JSP examples. So these examples ensures that Tomcat is running. So make sure that examples are running correctly. Alright guys, so Tomcat 7 installation was successful in Manjaro Linux 17.1. Subscribe our YouTube channel Java Forum and share it to your friends. Goodbye.